Hello, Bacho. My name is Vishwajit Verma and I welcome you all in this beautiful session. This is Gate Wallah. So, obviously, there are going to be certain surprises time to time for you all. And in this hot and fiery summer, there must be something to cool you down. So, let me introduce. We at Gate Wallah have some surprises for you this summer. Very, very exciting surprises. What are these surprises? I am going to reveal now. We have launched Summer Bonanza offer. What is this Summer Bonanza offer? Which people can be benefited from this? Second year people, third year people, or fourth year people, or dropout people? This offer is applicable for GATE or engineering services also? For what branches this offer is going to be there? So I will give you all the detail in this very short video. Just stay with me. First of all, in this Summer Bonanza offer, we are going to give you some additional discounts. Now everybody can afford quality education. This Summer Bonanza offer brings you up to 70% discount in all the products available across the basket. First of all, and the major price drop is for your Khajana prize. Now, if you are going to enroll for any of the batch, any of the new batch, if you are enrolling, so just for 11 rupees, you can add Khajana. And I don't think that I need to explain what is Khajana. Everybody knows Khajana is most famous product among all the students. So just for 11 rupees, you can add this Khajana along with your new batch which you are going to enroll for. Coming to the next slide. We have this Parakram 2.0 batch for those people who are preparing for GATE 2026. Parakram 2.0 batch for civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, CS, instrumentation and DA. All these branches ke liye, we have Parakram 2.0 batch whose price we have reduced to 6,500 rupees only. We have Parakram 2.0 batch in English also. This batch is in Hinglish, Hindi plus English, and purely English batch is also going to be there. That will also be available at the same price, 6,500 rupees. So for Hinglish people, for English speaking people, we have offerings for both the people. Let's talk about a little more detailed. We have freshly launched batches for PI branch, production and industrial engineering. I still remember that whatever YouTube sessions we have conducted in last 2 years, our chat box were completely filled. Please sir, you have for mechanical, you have for electrical, electronics, please bring chemical. So chemical was introduced, and now people were also demanding that sir, please bring batches for PI. So we have this year we have launched PI batches also. So you can enroll on these freshly launched PI batches for 6,500 rupees. This batch as of now is only available for English. And then this is also very demanding among the CS people. Those people who want CS as well as DA, this complete package, this will be available for 10,599 rupees. So we have majorly dropped the price. Earlier the original price is 35,999. Now people can enroll only for 10,599 rupees. Acha. This was for Parakram batches. Do we have something for those people who are currently in their second year or third year? Early stage, if you want to start your preparation, yes, we have. We do have. We have Shreshth batches, Shreshth 2.0 batches. You can enroll for these CS, civil, mechanical, DA, electrical, electronics ke liye these batches are available, and this is going to be in English. 8,800 rupees mein you can enroll for these Shreshth batches also. Those people who have already done their preparation for GATE 2025, Engineering Services 2025, those who have already prepared, those who have already gone through this rigorous process for 1 complete year, for 2 complete years, but due to some mistake, maybe silly mistakes, maybe due to lack of revision, lack of practice, or whatever. If you have landed, if this year you have landed somewhere around 40 marks, 50 marks, or even 60 marks, and if you feel, sir, this is not something which I deserve, I am much more capable, I deserve something better, I deserve to be in top 100, top 50. So this Vijay batch is going to be for you, rank improvement batch. And believe me, from this Vijay batch, rank improvement batch, we have so many students who have this year who have secured under 100 rank, under 50 ranks. Many people from the Vijay batch, rank improvement batches, many people have got their dream jobs. Sir, BARC में selection हो गया, sir NPCL में selection हो गया, sir I have cracked this job, I have cracked that job. Most successful batch, if you will calculate the success ratio, student success ratio, so this Vijay batch is going to be that one. So for 2026, we have offerings for those people who have, not performed up to your expectation. You can enroll for this batch just for 5,500 rupees. Next, coming to this, among this CSIT people, GATE ka preparation along with placement ka preparation is going to be a very, very tough and challenging task. We have offering for you also. CS and IT ke liye, we have GATE ka preparation, PSU ka preparation, as well as your in your colleges, whatever campus placement drives are going to be there. In that also you need some kind of expertise. So GATE along with placement preparation, we have batches for that also, and that you can enroll. CSIT people can enroll just for 10,999 rupees. Similar way say, same GATE and placement preparation batch for Shreshth. Shreshth ka matlab, for those people who are currently in second year or third year, you can enroll just for 14,999 rupees. And these two batches are going to be in Hinglish. Coming to our next offering, chemical batch, chemical branch ke liye bhi we have something, Parakram batch as well as Shreshth batch. Chemical batch ke liye you can enroll Parakram batch 9,599 rupees mein, and Shreshth batch for 2 years validity you have 13,999 rupees. Coming to our next beautiful offering, sir, this was all about GATE. We have for GATE, CSIT ke liye we have for GATE as well as placement preparation. Do we have something for engineering services? And not about engineering services 2026, 2027, just leave that. For 2025, still you have 1 month left for prelims. So do we have something to offer for this very close engineering services 2025? Yes, we do have. Engineering services 2025 ke liye, we have breakdown our product, depending upon requirement of different people. If somebody is there who thinks, Kinani sir, I'm technically very, very sound, I just need non-tech guidance. So you can go for engineering services non-tech batch, which is available for 4,299 rupees. And believe me, India's top best faculties are going to be there. Engineering services prelims ke liye bhi we are running some practice batches, question practice batches we are running. You can enroll for 899 rupees. Very nominal price pe you can enroll, hai na? And those people who think, sir, my non-tech is over, my prelims ka preparation is good, I am pretty sure that I will clear my prelims, I want to focus on my mains. So from May itself, from May 2025 itself, we are going to start our mains classes. So you can enroll for engineering services mains 2025 batches ke liye just for 1,799 rupees. Next, do we have something? These were the batches. Do we have something for test series also? Yes, we do have. We have test series for 2025 prelims as well as mains for this engineering services 2025. And believe me, bete, for our entire team, for all the faculties, for all the SMEs, for all the management people, this was very, very difficult and challenging, because launching something test series courses for exam which is just few months away. It was very, very difficult, but we have done that at very, very affordable price, and quality is going to be top notch. You have been with us, you have seen what quality in our test series, in our batches we are going to give. Similar things we are going to offer you in the form of test series, whether it is prelims or mains. Now, last but not the least, do we have something which can be treated as complete package, where a student can get GATE as well as engineering services, all the informations all together? Yes, we have GATE plus ESE batches. Parakram 2025, Parakram 2026, and Shreshth 2027. Those people who want, those people who are currently in 4th year, they want to, appear for 2026 GATE as well as ESE. There are some people 2nd year, 3rd year में 2027 को if you are targeting, so you can go for Shreshth GATE plus ESE batches just for rupees 8,999, 10,999 and 14,999 rupees. So we have in our basket all the products. We have tried our best to meet your all the demands. Okay, and whatever I have discussed here, all these offerings, all this bonanza offer, all these summer offers are available only for very, very limited period of time. Okay, so make your decision quick, fast, but keep that in mind. Just because we have dropped the price and you were preparing for something else, ki sir, I was preparing for MBA. Now these prices are very, very less. So why not to try our luck in GATE also? Don't do this. These offers are going to benefit you if you are really, really very, very serious candidate, because an intelligent guy has said that if you'll chase 2 rabbits, you will get none. So better be focused and get your dream. Thank you, bachcho.